All right. Good evening.
Good evening.
All right. What do we have here?
What day is today? Monday.
Monday. It's the 6th, I think, or the 7th?
7.
It's the 7th of July.
Yes.
Yeah.
Already halfway through the year.
Yeah, we are halfway through the year.
All right. So, some more research and development.
Mm-hmm.
So these are actually just figurines of the really popular Labubus.
Right.
And look how much of a difference it is. It's bought from two different places.
Okay.
This one is an actual from the manufacturer slash distributor, PopSmart.
Uh-huh.
And you could tell just by the way the packaging is, it's done like pretty precise.
Okay.
And then this one is from a hole in the wall place
Okay.
that they resell the same kind, but you could totally tell it's a different size.
So you're saying that this is the legitimate one,
Yeah.
and this is a knockoff.
Right.
Okay. And what is it a knockoff of?
It's a Labubu figurine. It's a yoga set.
Okay.
And
So they're doing yoga?
yoga poses, yeah.
Oh. Oh, that's adorable.
Yeah.
Okay.
But like even then, this one has like 6 different versions,
Okay.
and this one has 9
Okay.
or
So
12.
So this is the real one.
Yeah.
And right off the bat, what I see is that it's definitely a commitment to open it.
Mhm.
Like once you pop this, there's no going back into
Right.
it. Now I guess you could use like a heat gun and
Yeah.
But I believe that once you actually go into it, the box, you actually have to open the cellophane
Yeah.
pack that it's in.
And I think this might have a cellophane in there.
Okay.
It's just a cheaper version, I think.
Okay.
So it'll be interesting what we find.
Yeah, so it's smaller, this is bigger.
Assortment, there's only 6 on the cheap one.
Okay, so maybe show the camera. The and then the figures on the side, so you can see that there's right. Okay, so so they're the Labubu dolls, but then they're just doing yoga, like okay,
Yoga poses, yeah.
all right,
Lazy yoga.
lazy yoga. Okay, so we're gonna open it and we're gonna see the differences.
Yes. So I'll have you open the real one,
Okay.
and then I'll just pop open the top.
Okay, yeah, of course, because the box here does look a bit more secure. It looks authentic. It's got the barcodes. It looks like it's tracked, so if people like buy them online, where that is just. So where did you get this one from again?
This was in the mall where I got the Lafufus,
Okay.
and you said they were a hit, right? So.
Yeah, the Lafufus were a hit.
Yeah.
Yeah, I took one to work and.
And that might be best to carry around a Labubu just because now it won't get stolen. Or if it does get stolen, you're not heard about it.
Well, it's kind of like, what are you getting, right? You're getting something that's like 80% there for like 20% of the cost. Okay,
Yes.
So we're going to open a real one first. Okay, so just for transparency, how much did this cost?
That one is about, I think it was $16.99 or $19.99.
Okay, so not as popular as the ones that we opened last week, which were the fakes of the viral one right now that are so the ones that are really viral right now, they're either standing or sitting, and those are the ones that everybody's going crazy about.
Yes.
Whereas these are the yoga,
But they still sell out.
but they still sell out, but they're cheaper.
They're cheaper. They're not.
But
they're not
the
keychains.
real ones are supposed to be cheap.
They're supposed to be cheaper than what are sold.
They're currently selling for, right? Because we saw it, and they're currently trying to get like $70 a piece, right?
And normally at PopSmart it's $27.99.
Okay.
And I tried. I really tried.
Yeah, I know.
And
I know.
couldn't.
And okay,
Had it in
so
my yard.
let's go ahead and open it. So here we go. All right. So, all right, that's commitment.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So, all right, we opened it,
Open
and then
mine.
open mine, and then there's glue.
Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, so you can't just like, oh yeah, look at that, it's destructible. Oh, look at that, they made it so like where the box is destructible. So like even if you try to, like so once you open it, oh yeah, this thing basically destroys itself once you open. Yeah, see, look, like
Oh wow.
this package is this message was self-destructing. Yeah. Okay.
Oh,
So
look at
it's
that.
pretty destructive. Like you go in there, you're not getting it back out. Okay.
Oh, it's a cute little.
Oh wait, I got something else. Oh, I got like
it's
the
a
little
stand. It's a mat or yoga mat.
And then I got the little.
I got nothing. I just got the.
Oh look! I got a little card.
I'll tell you which one it is. Oh, that's cute.
Oh, it's the. Is it the rare one?
It's no.
Okay.
No. It's
yeah. So it's the ab roller. Okay.
Okay. Not the downward dog.
Yeah. So here we go. So we got the ab roller, the foo-foo.
And there's
yoga,
no card on this one.
Oh, and that's his little yoga mat. Okay. Yeah. All right. So we're gonna open it.
Yep.
Okay. So all right, you tore it. Okay, yeah. So we tore it, and it comes out, and oh.
Mine's doing some gymnastics.
Okay. Yeah. So you got yours is doing a gymnastics. Mine's on the ab roller.
It's not even sealed.
It's not even sealed, huh?
Oh, that's adorable.
Okay.
Oh, and yours is flopped.
Oh.
Mine is just plastic.
Okay, so yours is plastic, and he's on the block, and there's no yoga mat. And mine actually has like.
And it doesn't stand.
And it doesn't stand, much like the other ones that we got.
Yeah.
Mine has a little bit of peach fuzz going on, so he actually has a textured peach fuzz.
It's flopped.
And then he's got a little clock there.
Oh, that's adorable.
Oh, that's cool. So, oh no. So he's got a little yoga mat, and he's doing his thing.
See, but that one's got the crazy eyes.
Yeah. Yeah, he does. He has crazy eyes right there. And then yours doesn't. Yours,
no, just doing the splits.
Okay. Oh, because of all the exertion, right? He's trying to hold his pose. So that's why he's got the crazy eyes going on.
He's about to be exhausted.
Yeah.
Give him some water.
Yeah. Oh, how cute. Okay.
So this one is actually sold out everywhere.
Yeah.
And I think it's just because everyone wants a piece of Labubu, the real
right.
one.
Right.
So
now they're going to like the secondary Labubus.
Yeah. Even the magnets are sold out. Everything's sold out.
That's so weird, huh?
It is very weird. And if you try to get ahead and they tell you what time certain series are coming out again, like restocking.
Yeah.
So what you do is you get the app. You can't do it from a website.
Right.
And once you're in, you have to start selecting. But I couldn't even get to that until today because I think someone had a hard time trying to make the actual purchase, complete the purchase, that they ran out of time. And I was able to snag it for like however long.
Oh, so you were able to buy it?
No, I didn't get to buy it because it wouldn't go through.
Oh, okay.
To complete the transaction.
Yeah, it sounds like there needs to be a better process.
Yeah.
Because on the app, it virtually displayed the lot, because there's only 6 to a box. Yes. So you're supposed to select your box but then people just kept jumping at it, and then it was all grayed out. By the time it loaded, it was already grayed out.
Yeah. And then I was able to put it in my cart. And
eventually you got into your cart.
It went into my cart. I couldn't complete the transaction.
Yeah.
And it's only a 5-minute limit.
Gotcha.
And then you have to go back and reselect it unless somebody else snatches it.
And so then eventually what happened? It just timed out and said
someone else got it.
No more were available.
Yeah.
Okay.
So maybe tomorrow, if someone's still having issues trying to complete the transaction, it'll get released again, and I'll have another chance.
But well, eventually, you can pop it out. So it's a little pop out.
Oh.
Yeah. See. And then you can stand it up.
Is it like a credit card?
No, I think it's just like a.
You put it in the background.
So you got a Labubu for your Labubu.
Oh, motivation.
Yeah, maybe. I don't know. Do you think they would actually need to like work out though? I never really thought about that. I just figured they would like.
I think it's
scamper around and the scamper gremlins like that. They never worked out, right? Like,
no, they just ate.
They just ate. Okay.
It's adorable.
Yeah. So would you say that this Labubu that you bought for what, $19.99?
I don't remember.
Well, that you bought for like maybe $20-$40.
Yeah.
Would you say it was worth the money?
Yeah, just because it's still cute. It just doesn't stand out.
Yeah.
I mean, they need to.
Right.
Make it a little bit better.
Well, it is interesting, right? Because you got like the real one, and then you got the knockoffs.
Yeah.
And
this one actually, like...
Right.
It's stable.
So this one's actually, like, good quality.
It is good quality.
Yeah. And then this one's, like... It's almost like, what's the point? It's like you can give somebody, and it's like, yeah, see?
And it's heavy.
And it's heavy. It's top heavy. There's no weight distribution.
Yeah. So, unless you put, like, a little sticky tape on it and just let it...
Yeah. No, well, that's probably, like, straight up, that's probably what's going to end up happening.
Yeah.
And then, alright, so
if
cute.
I can get an actual Labubu with the keychain one, then we could compare between the fake one and the real one. Yeah.
So who makes these, the fake ones?
It's the fake ones?
Yeah.
So I don't know who makes them,
right?
But someone told me that they think it might actually be PopSmart.
So the same company.
Yeah.
So they got the real ones, and then they flood it for the fake ones.
Yeah.
Okay.
And
that's interesting.
It could just be that the quality wasn't as good. And so they're making it as a fake one.
Right.
But if that's the case, they're doing really good because people are still wanting the fake ones too.
Yeah.
They're making money no matter what.
Yeah, it's so interesting, right?
Yeah.
Because it's like no matter what.
Yeah.
Right? Like 80% there.
Yeah.
And like so people just want the little Labubus. They don't necessarily care if it's fake or real.
Right.
They're trying to get a hold of it.
Just to get a hold of it.
Interesting.
Even though online they're always talking about, oh, that's a fake one. Like, why would you carry a fake one around? It's like, well, because there's nothing else to buy.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, people are so starved for arts and culture right now that and I think that's it.
But that's what blind boxes do to people. And they can go crazy over it.
Right, because it's like the quest is you're trying to get this rare one, right?
Yeah.
Right, and you don't know which one it is. So you're gonna keep buying them and ripping them open.
Yeah, and
then trading them.
Yeah. And the thing is, with PopSmart's app, when you do get a hold of it and put it in your cart, it actually tells you what you got.
Okay.
So by the time you get it, it's really no surprise.
Okay.
If you get the case that has all 6,
yeah,
I think it's still a secret.
So, you said the case is gonna have all 6, right?
For this one, it should. Oh, this one should have. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There might be 10 to a case on that one.
Well, it makes it sound like to me that because I remember on the back of the Labubu box, it only had 6.
Yes.
Plus the mystery one. So maybe you could buy the case and still not get the mystery one.
Exactly.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it's not guaranteed.
It's not guaranteed. So I think that's why they call it like a shake-up, I think. Where you pick one and you get hints of what it is. And they tell you, oh, it's not this one, it's not this one. Then what could it be?
Oh, okay. That's so interesting.
Yeah,
so it's kind of like the 2-door prop, right? Like one door always lies, one door always tells the truth. But in this case, you can select a box, and it can tell you, well, it's not this, but it could be that.
Yeah.
And then you're supposed to use math to figure out what it could be.
But by the time you don't care, it's like you just want one.
well, yeah, because you can't even buy it, so you don't even have time. By the time you shake it, it's like everything else is already sold out. So you just got to pick one and go with it.
And I think what people are actually doing is they're opening up the boxes to find that rare. And then everything else, they're probably already putting it online.
Yeah.
As saying, hey, this one is this. There's no secret.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know. I mean, it's a very interesting fad, or what do you call it? Trend?
It's something. Phenomenon?
Yeah.
Mini phenomenon?
I mean, it was even on the news.
Oh, they talked about it on the news.
On the national news.
The Labubu craze.
Yes.
Hey, this little monster is taking over. I still buy into the theory that this guy conjured it up, and it's like, oh, well, you gotta replicate me and put me in these little toys and
it talks to him.
Spread the word.
So they are like gremlins then.
Yeah. Well, that's cool. Okay, so the quest for the real one, and then we'll be back and we'll compare it to the old one, the fake one that we made.
Yeah.
All right. Well, that's pretty good.
All right. Well, we'll see you next time.
See you next
time.
time.
And maybe Scrappy will be with us next time.
Oh yeah, Scrappy's at grandma's getting taken care of. So, okay.
Living a good life.
Thank
Bye.
you. Bye.